everyone, let's unbox and swatch the Y2K Summer Splash Collection. Here's a close-up of all the details on the box. Look at how cute it is. I love the Powerpuff Girl and SpongeBob popsicle. The collection comes with 18 gels, 16 solid colors, and 2 glitters. I'll be swatching all 18 gel polish colors. Each color will be sold individually, so if you don't want to buy the collection, you can just pick up whatever colors you want. The Y2K Summer Splash Collection is up for pre-order right now, but will fully release June 9th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time.